Very happy to back with you all our plant lovers. Welcome to Santhi Online Plants. In today's video, we are going to see about a beautiful creeper and a light variety called Thunbergia. Let's start with our teammate, Mr. Prabhaharan. Good morning, Prabhaharan.
Very good morning, Ashwini.
Could we have some discussion about Thunbergia?
Oh, yes, we can have.
Okay, tell me some facts of Thunbergia.
Okay, Ashwini, let's start. Thunbergia plant varieties are native to Southeast Asia. It is one of the oldest variety named by the Sweden botanist Carl Peter Thunberg.
Okay, Prabhaharan, what are the Thunbergia varieties are available with us? Could you explain?
Okay, Ashwini, there are 4 varieties of Thunbergia are available with us. They are Thunbergia grandiflora, Thunbergia erecta, Thunbergia natalensis, Thunbergia mysorensis, and also Thunbergia plants are commonly known as skyflower, bush clog, clockwine, and king's mantle.
Okay, tell me something about Thunbergia grandiflora.
Thunbergia grandiflora plants are evergreen perennial vine. It creeps over the wall or any supportive location. Flowers are attractive lavender or white colored flowers.
Well explained, Prabhaharan. Next we go to Thunbergia natalensis.
Thunbergia natalensis plants are commonly known as dwarf Thunbergia, which have showy white trumpet shaped flowers.
Okay, Prabhaharan. Could you explain about Thunbergia erecta?
Thunbergia erecta plants are commonly known as bush clock and king's mantle. It is one of the oldest traditional medicinal plant to cure the insomnia and depression. Plants are available with us in 2 colors, Thunbergia blue and Thunbergia white.
Okay, Prabhaharan. Next we move to Thunbergia mysorensis.
Thunbergia mysorensis plants are commonly known as Indian clockwine with the growth habit of woody stemmed plant. It is one of the attractive creeper plant with maroon yellow colored flowers in clusters.
Thank you, Prabhaharan, for your well explanation about Thunbergia varieties. Please give some growth tips for Thunbergia.
Okay, Ashwini, we will start with soil. Thunbergia plants require well-drained fertile garden soil or cocopeat potting mix. Next, watering. Water the plants when the topsoil feels dry to touch. Remember to keep the soil moist near the root zone. Next, fertilizer application. We recommend application of handful of well-decomposed organic manure monthly once around the plant. Next, plant protection. Remove the dead and dried plant parts. In case of any pest and disease occurs, apply neem oil as primary spray.
Okay, Prabhaharan. Is there any speciality in Thunbergia varieties?
Yes, Thunbergia has many specialities such as ornamental plants, medicinal plants, live hedges, screen crop, and green menu crops.
Hope you all had enjoyed our video. We will be giving more information about plants and plant related. For more, visit our website www.shanthionlineplants.com. Keep watching our video. Thank you all. Go green and save green.